Here in this video, we are solving a NEET 2024 question that appeared from collisions, which could be a part of work power energy. Two bodies A and B of the same mass undergo complete inelastic one-dimensional collision. See, first thing that we need to understand is there are two bodies, both the masses are same, one-dimensional, complete inelastic. What do you mean by inelastic? Means complete inelastic means after the collision both bodies move together as a single body. With a common velocity. That is what do you mean by one-dimensional elastic collision, right? The body A moves with a velocity v1, this is A, while the body B is at rest. That means initial velocity before the collision is 0, it is in the state of rest. So, this is before the collision. So, after the collision what happens is they are not going to move differently, rather A and B are going to move together with a new common velocity. He said that velocity of the system after the collision is v2. Then what is the ratio of v1 and v2? See, the first thing that we need to understand is whatever may be the kind of collision, whether it is elastic or inelastic, in every collision, whatever may be the type of collision, momentum is definitely conserved. Momentum is always conserved, there is no doubt about it. There is no second thought. That means what? P initial equal to P final. What is P initial? M1 U1 plus M2 E2. Momentum before the collision is M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Momentum after the collision. It is given that M1 is A having a velocity V1 here. M2 is B of the same mass but is in the state of rest. It is a perfect elastic collision. So, they together moves with a new common velocity. It is given that common velocity is V2. So, mv1 this is 0 equal to 2m times of V2. That implies V2 equal to V1 by 2. Now, in the problem he wants the ratio of V1 is to V2. V1 is V1, but V2 is V1 by 2. So, this V1s can be cancelled. So, the ratio is 1 is to 1 by 2. Multiply this with 2, then it becomes 2 is to 1. So, the ratio of V1 by V2 is 2 is to 1. That is how we solve this simple question. Thank you for watching.